Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the appropriate settings app on your device and making sure Bluetooth is turned on. This lets your system list nearby hardware. Once done, make the target device discoverable so it appears in the list. If you plan to use a command line on a computer, make sure you have administrative rights or an elevated prompt ready. This first step is quick but essential because if the device is not discoverable or permissions are missing, you cannot retrieve the MAC address. Now find the device in the interface that lists Bluetooth devices. On phones, tap the device name to view details. On desktops, open Bluetooth settings or the devices panel. For paired devices, the MAC is often shown in the detail view. If you prefer command line, run tools such as Bluetooth tool, hsicconfig, or system-specific commands. These print addresses like 00, 1A, 7D, DA, 71, 11. Make sure you pick the correct device. Similar names can cause confusion. Then note the MAC string. Finally, confirm the MAC address by checking it in two places: the device details screen and a command line output if available, since typos are easy. If the address doesn't appear, restart Bluetooth on both ends and toggle visibility. This often resolves discovery glitches. Make sure to unpair and repair if inconsistent data persists, and consider the device manufacturer's app for a definitive listing. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing shows, reboot the device and retry discovery, which clears transient connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.